AI is ruining everything in this world, man, and it's sad to say, but I think it's coming down to the iRobot times, man, where eventually we're no longer gonna need to exist anymore, man. And I'm saying this because, bro, we use AI for everything, and it's so new. It's still relatively new. I don't think it's more than like 8 years old. I don't know when they started, the first gens of AIs, but nowadays AIs, man, if you see from back in the day when they were doing the Will Smith eats spaghetti, it looked weird and crazy. Now you can make that video in seconds and make it look realistic, man. So AI is doing everything, man. It's like when I have questions on anything, fuck Google now. Shit, I still go to Google or Reddit for like real human interactions and stuff like that for similar situations. But like if I ask them about my car, I go to ChatGPT and it will give me all the list of things that could be wrong with my car. Or when I need help finding some, or when I need to respond to somebody and I don't want to write a long paragraph, I say, yo, ChatGPT, write me this message, and I'm gonna tell it what I want to be put in it, but write me this message. Or it's like, create a logo for me. It's like, this shit is not gonna end well, man. I'm not trying to sound like a crazy person or anything like that, or a conspiracist, but it's just right in our face, where it's like, now they're coming out with humanoid robots that have AI in it. So the powerful AI brain that's way more powerful than a human brain, because AI is like just gathered information from everywhere in the world. So it's like billions of people's brains all in one. But it's like it's like we're not gonna be needed anymore, man. You're gonna put that brain, that all these billions of people's brain inside a humanoid that's a robot that can customize anything on it. It's like, it could really never die unless you like get it wet or like cut the circuit or something like that. But they're gonna start using that for war, start flying planes. It's probably gonna be like WALL-E, man. I made that reference 2-3 years ago when I started my channel. It's like, we're so dependent on technology for everything, man. And I say this because I see how in my life technology is everything, man. And I want you guys to understand where I'm coming from this. For me, technology is everything. I used to love being on the computer as a kid, right? Technology is everything. That's how I've grown up learning. I've grown up, if I didn't have a dad teaching me stuff, or I didn't learn things in school, I learned how to fish off of YouTube. I learned how to work on my car and do oil changes off of YouTube. So it's basically like my schooling, right? My entertainment, I used to watch cool videos and stuff on YouTube. We watch videos on TikTok, and it's your entertainment. If you're addicted to lust, pornography, you feel me? If you don't want to go out and date a girl, and like, you want to date a girl, but you don't want to go out and talk to her, Hinge, Tinder, get on a dating app. When you don't have a social life in real life, where are you at? Social media. You feel me? I have a problem that I struggle with, where it's like, I be feeling like these people that I follow on Instagram, or they follow me on Instagram, is like my actual friend in real life. It's like, and that shit's like so weird in my mind, man. So it's like, we're dependent on this for everything. When we order food, DoorDash, shit, get delivered. When's it gonna stop, bruh? Like, it's not gonna stop, and that's the crazy thing. And I see how it's affected people socially and this economy and everything, because social anxiety, I feel like, yes, it did exist back then, but it exists way more now, because it's hard to have a social conversation with people nowadays. It's either you don't understand what they're saying, you're scared of what they're saying, or it's the same way of it's coming back to you. Like, their mind's somewhere else, but you're not understanding what they're saying or something like that, man. So I did a lot of my train of thought, I'm not gonna lie, but I'm not even gonna cut the video. Let me think. See, my fucking mind's like that. But yeah, like, say ordering food, right? this is something that I catch myself doing a lot, is I call and stuff, but I don't want to drive all the way to the store, go in there and order, and I want that. It's like this. We want that fast shit. We'll go on Chick-fil-A, type what we want, and boom, order it before we get there, pick it up, eat it, and boom. We did that on our phone. Technology is everything. Our directions. We use maps. I don't know about y'all, but when older people be like, or anybody, they be like, yeah, take Mason Road down here, then you get on I-35, and then about 5-6 exits, maybe mark them out, number 39. Like, when they be saying stuff like that, I'll be like, bruh. Even from, like, Baltimore, like, I didn't really understand too much things. It's like, people be like, yeah, go down this way. I'm like, bruh, no, I'm just going to look on my maps. You don't need to tell me, like, how to get there. I could just look on my maps. So it's like, we use this shit for everything. And in my life, like I said, and it's used in all aspects, you know. And it's like, even making money, you know, doing Airbnb, you know, selling on Amazon. Just, we use it for everything, bruh. And it's like, the only way I feel like stuff will get better is the system's gonna have to calm down, bruh. I'm not gonna lie, the whole grid system. But because, bro, once this AI stuff, like, you can't even tell a real from fake video no more, man. It's sad. People can generate your pictures on things and make you do things, make you say things. And bro, what else is there in life? Like, you know, back then they thought we were gonna have flying cars by now, and, you know, we're gonna be living on Mars. But we got technology that they never thought you can. This little device right here in your hand can, like, do everything for you. They didn't think like that. So, like, what are we thinking the future's gonna be like? I didn't think AI would be a real thing, you know, but, like, what's next? Like, what is next for the technology boom? Like, is it cloning yourself, or once you die, instead of going to heaven or hell or wherever you believe, you go into, like, a cloud where it's like, or like, you could get all your memory, like, you feel me? Get all your memory, like, plug a USB chip into your head, I guess with, like, a Neuralink from Elon Musk or something, and get all your past memories and play them on a disc. Imagine that. Like, you can play your past memories from a chip in your head. So, like, even from 20 years ago, when you were born, like, you can replay that back. Like, that's crazy, man. Shit. I feel like if they did some shit with a time machine, that's where I would be like, yeah, we draw the line, but let me try it out. But I'm getting off topic, man. But yeah, man, it's just, this technology is advancing faster than I thought it would. I don't know, man. I don't know. I'll speak more about it in another video, but AI is taking over everything. Hide your kids, hide your wife, because they're going to find you.